And we made it to the final video of the cleaning of the Hampton Bay or Mainstays table fan. I just stripped everything down. So we got here the motor and base assembly. There is a little bit of scratch marks on it, but that's okay because they're permanent. I just cleaned most of the motor. I wasn't able to get the back cover off, but yeah, I was able to clean the front cover though of the motor. And the hair that was on the shaft, it's not really there anymore. I just pulled all that off, and in the second video, here are all the smaller parts. We got the rear guard ring, this badge right here, and the spinner nut, and of course the main part, which have all been soaking in water for in the first video. So we'll go ahead and get this fan back together. So we'll start off with placing. We're gonna put this to the ground. I actually did lose a screw for the fan, but yeah, I'm gonna put this to the side here. Apparently, before I do actually put it together, I'm actually gonna have to put the last screw in. I'm gonna put the camera back up so you guys don't have to stare at a black screen all the time. Alright, so all four screws are in. That was from part 3 of the video, of the series, but for part 4, we're gonna get the fan back together. So you can see here the blades, they did clean up nicely. There are a bit of smudge marks and a bit of thick dust that didn't get cleaned up properly. The inside the hub, which is right here, it was crusty. It was crusty as hell. So we're gonna go ahead and put the blades to the side. So starting out, we're gonna put the front grille right here back together. First off, we're gonna pop the badge in. So we got 3 clips that we need to line with those 2 slots, with 3 slots in the grille. By pushing them in, we should be able to slide the badge in place. And it's in now. So now we are gonna go ahead and assemble the fan back together now. And we'll do a test run after this video in the actual review. Alright. There's a prop airplane above us. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah. So apparently, if you've seen my other Mainstays table fans, the one that I have has the clear blades and just the matte black finish. Okay. Spinner nut. This fan is really looking better now. And the front grille. So there it is, a brand new Mainstays black table fan. Thanks for watching. And as always, I'll catch you guys next fan video. Peace.